Diagram 7 shows a straight line y equal to k and a curve y equal to x squared. So this is a curve. Let me sketch out. This is y, this is k, this is 0. So it was shaded like this. So the curve is y equal to x squared, and obviously it's symmetrical. Both sides should be the same in terms of the area, right? So the intercept here is y0, y equal to k, so this is k. So normally when we see area given is 5/1/3 unit square, right? We will just focus to the area. The boundary is here, see or not? And then this is the curve. The curve, under the curve there is a y-axis, right? So area under the curve, this is a curve. Can you see that? I'm going to highlight so that you can see this is the curve. Okay, under the curve you can see the boundary, right? Y-axis. So that means immediately we will write integrate dy, and the limit here will be start from 0, k0, y0, k is unknown value, right? So y is y0 because it's on the x-axis. So you have the area, the curve. Okay, under the curve is the y-axis. Here is 0, here is k, the y. So that means you have to use dy for the area, and here must be x. So the x is y 1/2. So you have to express y x in terms of y, dy, here 0, k. So you will substitute y 1/2 plus 1/1/2 plus 1. And then you have to sub the limit from 0 to k, alright? And the area for this one is just half of the shaded region. So it's 5/3/2 is equal to y 3/2, 2/3 because we are dividing by 3/2. So it becomes 2/3. Here if you simplify it will be 16/6, and here will be 2/3. The number we always factorize before we can sub the value into the y. So this is y 3/2. Okay, make it lower a bit. This is the power. Alright, so we will simplify these two first. So it becomes 8/3 times 3/2 is equal to y 3/2 k. So you can substitute the k into the y. It becomes 4 equal to k 3/2. So if I simplify further, k is equal to 4 to the power 2 power 3. So k is 4 square cube root, right? So you can write k is 16 cube root, or k is 2.520. If you press a calculator, 2.520 in 4 significant figure. So I'm going to discuss part B. For part B, it's not related to this one. When we read the question, we will identify the keywords. The keywords is gradient function. The moment we see gradient, we will quickly write dy dx for the function px plus 2. Alright. And then p is a number, right? The gradient function given, p is constant, and normal gradient to the curve is negative 1/6. So the moment you see dy dx and normal, you must understand there are 3 stories. Story number 1 is the curve. So Story number 2 is a dy dx. Okay, another one is the normal. You have 3 stories. So M2 is the normal. With the M2, you can find the M1 using M1, M2 equal to -1. So M1 is -1 over M2, or M2 is -1. So obviously the 6 will go up because we divide. You can try to substitute like this if you're not sure. It will inverse the 6 up, become 6 over 1, negative, and negative become positive. So the M1 will be positive 6. Right, so you must know how to relate. The M1 is actually your dy dx. And then at dy dx always happen at one point. And dy dx always use the x. So we'll substitute x as 1 plus 2 equal to 6. Hence the p is 6 minus 2, which is 4. Right, so we have the dy dx equal to 4x plus 2. So with the dy dx equal to 4x plus 2, we can solve the dy dx. Okay, we can solve the dy dx by finding y. Okay, let's see what the question 1. The question 1, the p equal to 4 for part 1. And sure, they will ask you to find the blue equation. This is called the function. Right, this is the function. The red one is the gradient function. In short, we use dy dx. And normal is always perpendicular with the dy dx. So with the function, we need to integrate the dy dx. So if we integrate the dy dx here, we will get the equation of the curve, which is the function. So when you integrate, raise the power by 1, 2 constant become 2x plus c, and please don't forget, sub the point inside to solve the constant. So the constant is -12. So the y is 2x squared plus 2x minus 12. This is the equation of the curve in intercept form. That's all my sharing for today. I will see you in my next video teaching. Till then, bye bye and have a nice day.